What's up, YouTube? This is Chris, and today is November. Got another biker out. Today is November the 26th, 2017, of course. Just out on the 2013 Honda Goldwing F6B Deluxe. Blacked out edition. It's a pretty horse standing up here on the hill right here. Get a little shot of that. But like I said, just out here on Big Black. Out on old Frankfort Pike in Lexington, Kentucky. This road does lead to Frankfort, Kentucky. Got out, haven't been out in about 5 weeks. Not by choice. You know, only chance I really get to ride is on the weekends, and due to my work schedule, weather, and you know, just trying to spend time with family, you know, it's hard to make it all happen. So I got a chance today, so I took advantage of it. Hope everybody had a really great Thanksgiving. Hope you got a chance to spend time with your family, friends, all the loved ones. Enjoying your 4 days off, if you was privileged to have that. I know I did. My birthday this year was on Thanksgiving, November the 23rd. I turned 47 years old. So I told my wife I wanted to do a little something for my birthday. And long story short, we had planned a trip to Dayton, Ohio, which is about 2.5 hours from Lexington. And we just want to keep it real simple. Something maybe 3, no more than 4 hours out. We have been to Dayton before, and I just wanted to do that. But I did tell my wife that, you know, if she could come up with something else, not that anything's wrong with Dayton. If she wanted to come up with something else, we could do that also. So, long and behold, my wife come up with Knoxville, Tennessee. We got some hills over. I'm trying to look over. But we come up with Knoxville, Tennessee. We've never been there. We have intentions on going there August of 2018. I plan on trying to go to Wingding 40, which is going to be held in the Convention Center in Knoxville, or the Knoxville Convention Center, which of course is in Knoxville. But yeah, we did that. Went down there. Wasn't a lot to do. I guess it's just this time of the season. But wasn't a lot to do. We just kind of hung out and just relaxed. Just, you know, a little thing away from home. But I will tell you this. We got our room through hotwire.com. And if you choose Hotwire, and if you choose their really hot deals, you don't get a chance to see what you're getting. But if you choose their regular thing, which is just the regular hot deals, you actually get to see what room you're going to get. Or not room, but what hotel you're going to get. But the price is a little bit higher. So we decided just to go with the you know, super hot deals. And we had put in something, and we put in all the information. We was wanting, you know, downtown Knoxville, and what it come up with was actually downtown. So everything downtown, you know, I think it's going to be pretty decent. So we went ahead and booked it, and what we actually come up with was the Holiday Inn, which is in the center of Knoxville, Tennessee. You got a lot of campus area around there. But long story short, we ended up getting the Holiday Inn. And for those of you all that are planning on going to Wingding 40, I'm going to give you a heads up. Holiday Inn is the hotel to get. I could walk out of the motel lobby and walk to the Knoxville Convention Center in less than 45 seconds. That's walking. So, like I said, I just want to give you all a bunch of heads up. Whatever viewers or subscribers that look at this that plan on going, that is the place to go, I think. I'm going to go home after this, and I'm going to try to go ahead and book something. I kind of pre-looked at it, and I plan on doing about 2 days there. So I looked that up, and we can get a nice room. I think it was about $457. There is a $12 parking fee per day, so you add another $24 at it. You're looking at about $500. You know, Wing Ding 40. It's once a year. I definitely want to go to it. You know, it's 10 months away, so you know, $500 over 10 months. You know, why not? You only live once. You cannot take that money with you. I have never seen a U-Haul attached to a hearse. So with that said, you know, enjoyed my birthday down there. I told myself that I wanted to buy me something for my birthday. Had no idea what I wanted, but the next day while in Knoxville on Black Friday, I just decided to see what I could get. Don't really need anything, but you know, after long thinking, the only thing I could keep coming up with is stuff for my Goldwing F6B. Not sure why that is, but went on one of my favorite online sites, which is wingding.com, and didn't spend a lot of money. Went in and ordered me a pair of Joe Rocket Skyline 2.0 mesh gloves. I've been having my eye on those for a couple of months, so I went in and got those. It was like $40. Ordered me some Goldwing draws. I mean, some Goldwing boxers. And also, I'm going to give my boy Chris Caliente credit on this. I had been looking at this before, but I went in and busted on down and ordered me a nose cover, or aka a bra, front end bra for my bike. I was looking at Chris Caliente's video the other day, and I seen where he had a custom made embroidery done on his bra for his trailer, but I don't have a trailer. But I got a front end for this right here. I think it'll be here probably Thursday of next week. So hope that goes well. It was intended for the GL 1800, which my bike is GL 1800 BD, which is Bagger Deluxe. They have the same front end, so it should fit up pretty good. If not, I'll just send it back to Wingding. I mean, not Wingding, but wingstuff.com. I've been dealing with them for over 2.5, 3 years. And look at this car right here. And should have no problem with that. They're good people. Like dealing with them. But yes, I am enjoying this. Showing 54 degrees. It might be a little bit cooler than that. Just wanted to get out. The sun's out. Just taking a little ride, a little Sunday ride. I'll probably just go up to a park here in Lexington called Douglas Park. Just chill out a little bit up there, see what's going on. Go home, probably watch a little football. My Raiders are playing right now, but you know, I'm gonna have to put them off right now. I haven't rode in probably about 5 weeks, like I said, and you know, I just had to get out. Haven't seen too many other bikes out. Seen that one, you know, that you all seen on the vlog that I'm doing right now. Want to give a shout out, or not really, well, want to give a shout out to Carnell Luckett Sr. He did a vlog November 24th, and he was just giving some love to a couple of vloggers that you know, he's supporting everything and he watched. And he had mentioned me amongst several big names in it, and I was happy for that. And just want to thank you, Carnell. It is a pleasure, you know, with that coming from you. That's Carnell Luckett Sr. Him and Black Flash coming out of Oklahoma. And Carnell, keep them married women off back of your bike, bro. If y'all haven't seen it, y'all gotta just have a look at Carnell's video. I forget what it was. I think it was bruh, did I piss your wife off or something like that? But y'all gotta look at it. It was pretty funny. It's pretty funny. Chris Caliente had left a funny comment on her also. Carnell was also talking about, you know, do you ride, you know, other men and stuff on your bike? But y'all have to check it out for yourself. It's a pretty damn good video. Had me laughing for a while. Just like I said, with some of the comments and everything. Come on, people. I'm just going to try to get up here to the park. Let's go see what's popping off up there. What else has been going on? Just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope everybody has a Happy New Year. I'm just saying this right now. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get back out, you know, due to the weather and everything like that. But just want to, like I said, you know, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hope everybody, you know, whatever New Year resolutions you have, I hope you accomplish them. Mine are going to be probably just like going into 2017. You know, just keep pushing on, just keep moving on, man. Just keep holding my family down, you know, job and everything. And I know as I go into each other riding season, I just want to keep riding more. You know, at first when I got the bike, I got it, you know, because Honda described this bike as, you know, round town use, also weekend getaways and stuff like that. And, of course, you know, I do the round towns like I'm doing right now, but I have had it on the on that interstate, and people, that's where this bike really comes alive. You know, this bike, it is the F6B, just like the Ford Dresser, except it just doesn't have the passenger, I call it the throne, just doesn't have that passenger trunk on the back of it. But besides that, though, you know, you're looking at an identical bike. Guess a lot of you all know the 2018 Honda Goldwing is out. A lot of people are, you know, say they're going to get it, some not. Got mixed emotions on it. Haven't seen one in person yet, but me, I think it's just too small. I like this style right here, which is what I call the big body style. And I think that's what I'm going to stick to. Like I said, I'm just still really in love with Big Black right here. So, no 2018 for me. This is Douglas Park. We're in Lexington, Kentucky. There's the elementary school, Booker T. Washington Elementary. Just gonna take a little ride up here, see what's going on. I always come back here a lot of times when it's warmer, and just come back here and just chill out. You can see there's some people up here now. But folk, there was more I was wanting to talk to you about, but my time is running out. I have come to my destination, so I will peace out. Everybody have a wonderful Merry Christmas and Thanksgiving. All right, one love.